McDonald's, when they make their burgers, they make their own buns from scratch. So I make my own bread from scratch. I'll make my own buns from scratch. 355 goes into this bread dough. And that is close enough. That's 355 water. The fat is sort of, it's much more variable on the fat. Yeah, that's about it for fat. 407. All right, so we're gonna throw some sugar in there. It's at 407. You cannot hit 100 on the sugar. It will chemically make something else. The sugar causes yeast to grow. The salt causes it to sort of stabilize and stay where you want. So you saw how much salt there was. There's about a teaspoon of salt. Now for the flour, we're going to zero this out. We're at 478. We're at 0 right now. I'm going up to 515 is what I'm trying to get to on the flour. Ooh, so now we went over, right? The beauty of using a scale, if you go over, it doesn't dig her out. Kai, you're in a video. If you talk, you'll be seen by the entire internet. Ian! Yeah. You are being seen by the entire internet, so just calm it down. Okay, so that's the flour. And yeast, I do 2.5. All right, that's everything in there. You can end the video, Zach.